Chris Borton, Senior Director of Applications and the Technical Support Team for North America. So we have an applications team that consists of 46 scientists, and those scientists specialize in a specific market vertical. Our journey with our customers starts in the beginning when they're shopping for an instrument. We will work closely with customers to understand what their specific needs are and make sure that we answer their questions and we position the right SCIEX product that meets the unique needs for that customer. When a customer does decide to purchase an instrument, we have a wide range of training and support options for the customer. We have SCIEX University that has a plethora of content on it. We have training courses and self-help guides for all of our software packages and our instruments. A lot of that virtual training that we have has certification at the end, just in case customers need that. We offer virtual sessions with our application scientists. So, if customers have unique questions, we can set up a virtual session with a scientist that has specialty in that specific workflow or vertical. We offer training classes at our SCIEX sites, so customers can come to a SCIEX facility, work on the instruments for 2 to 3 days with a specific agenda. If they're looking to get in-depth training both on the hardware and on the software. But we realize that customers also have very unique needs. You could have 2 customers in the pharma or biopharma world, and they're doing the same application. But when you really dig in, those 2 customers have very specific needs. So we also offer support and training packages where one of our scientists will travel to the customer site and work with the customer to develop a method or develop a specific workflow on the instrument. We also work with customers around sample prep and help them with sample prep. And we really try to be as specific and unique to that customer and their needs. One of the things that we really value is that connection with our customers. So a lot of times the scientist that the customer works with when they're shopping for the instrument is the same scientist that they work with when they call tech support. And it's also the same scientist that will come to their site and help them with method development. We understand the value of that connection and that relationship with our customers. So we try to be as flexible with our support and training offerings as we can.